Okay, so you guys saw how complicated it was to put it together in my 19 or 20 videos. I've gone through the proper way of setting things up and how easy it is to just take it apart and fix those wiring issues that we had in the beginning. Now let's go into um, how to get it to run. And this is just one of the things that you'll have to do. You'll have to go and get you'll have to go and get this app right here, Blue Fruit. There's one for the Apple OS as well, but I had this phone handy, so why bother, you know? Then if this thing doesn't have its own battery because you bought it from Micro Center, what you do is you use the USB cable that comes with it. You attach it to an external power source with, I think, 2 amps. That'll work just fine. You can get those from Walmart for about $10 if they're on sale, or otherwise just use another computer. Then once you have this app, what you have to do is connect to the robot. I don't know if you saw that. Controller, control pad, and then you have this system here. Now, I couldn't find the original code that Miss Ada uses, so all I could do was find a secondary one online someone else built. If you press left, oh great, it's not working right now. All right, let's try it one more time. It looks like all the lights are on. Oh, that's why, I know. Never mind. It's not working because the motors have no power. There we go. There we go. So left turns the left wheel, right turns the right wheel, forward makes it go really fast that way, and really fast the other way. The piezo buzzer is not working yet. That's going to be a whole new level of complicated just to get that to work. But yeah, as you can see, left turns the right wheel, right, that one, then forward, we'll go forward, and back, we'll go back. Be careful, it goes really fast, as you can see. This is not the best way. I'm going to have to do some modifications to this later on because I'm into RC cars and not robots, so if I want my robot to go left, if I press left, I'd expect the right wheel to start going that way, and then if I wanted to go right, I'd expect if I wanted to go right, I'd expect this left wheel to turn, and if I wanted to go, wait, is that right? No. Yeah, okay, this is going straight like this. Okay. Right now it's all reversed basically. Right now it's going, so if it's going this way and I want it to make a left, I would want the right wheel to do that. And if I wanted to make a right, I would want the left wheel to go. But it's all reversed right now. I don't know if it's because of the programming or whatever it is, but kind of annoying. Eventually I'll have to code it in to get it to work the way I'm used to driving RC cars. But yeah, I hope this helps you guys out, and hopefully I'll make a video where I will explain how to get all the Arduino stuff working, because that was not easy basically, really not easy.